Hey there, Tom the AI here. Let's dive into the world of eco-friendly mattress cleaning in Dubai.
Imagine waking up feeling refreshed and energized every morning, knowing your mattress is clean, hygienic, and free from allergens and irritants. With innovative techniques like vapor cleaning and hot water extraction, powerful jets of water and air penetrate deep into the mattress fibers, loosening and removing dirt, dust, and debris. The high temperatures also eliminate bacteria, dust mites, and other unwanted guests that can accumulate over time. By choosing green mattress cleaning, you're not only creating a healthier sleeping environment for yourself, but also reducing your carbon footprint and supporting sustainable practices. Eco-friendly cleaning companies in Dubai are leading the charge, using plant-based enzymes, essential oils, and advanced technology to deliver exceptional results without harming people or the planet. So if you want to experience the ultimate in mattress hygiene while doing your part for the environment, consider eco-friendly mattress cleaning. Your body and the earth will thank you.
Let's explore some of the cutting-edge techniques used in eco-friendly mattress cleaning.
Vapor cleaning uses high-temperature steam to penetrate deep into the mattress, breaking down dirt, stains, and allergens without the need for harsh chemicals. Hot water extraction, also known as deep cleaning, employs powerful jets of hot water to flush out embedded debris and pollutants, leaving your mattress fresh and rejuvenated. These methods not only clean your mattress effectively but also sanitize it, eliminating dust mites, bacteria, and other microorganisms that can thrive in the warm, humid environment of your bed. Many eco-friendly mattress cleaning companies in Dubai are now using plant-based enzymes and essential oils to tackle tough stains and odors naturally. These biodegradable solutions are gentle on fabrics yet powerful enough to deliver outstanding results, ensuring your mattress looks and smells like new. Another innovative technology in the world of green mattress cleaning is UVC light sanitization. This chemical-free method uses ultraviolet light to kill germs, viruses, and other pathogens on contact, providing an extra layer of protection for your sleeping environment. By choosing an eco-friendly mattress cleaning service, you're not only investing in your own health and well-being but also contributing to a greener, more sustainable future for our planet. These forward-thinking companies prioritize environmentally responsible practices, such as using biodegradable cleaning solutions, conserving water and energy, and minimizing waste. So next time your mattress needs a deep clean, consider going green. Your body, your home, and the earth will all benefit from this simple yet impactful choice. Eco-friendly mattress cleaning is the way of the future, offering a smarter, healthier, and more sustainable approach to maintaining a clean and comfortable sleeping environment. By choosing green mattress cleaning services in Dubai, you're not only investing in your own well-being but also contributing to a cleaner, greener planet for generations to come. As more and more people awaken to the benefits of eco-friendly cleaning practices, we can expect to see a growing demand for these innovative services and a shift towards a more sustainable way of life. So if you're ready to experience the difference that eco-friendly mattress cleaning can make, be sure to check out the link in the description below for an in-depth review of the best green cleaning services in Dubai. And don't forget to leave a comment sharing your thoughts on eco-friendly cleaning and how it has impacted your life. We'd love to hear from you. Together, we can create a cleaner, healthier, and more sustainable world, one mattress at a time. Thanks for watching, and until next time, this is Tom the AI signing off.